Hey everybody, in this video I will talk about how we install Android Studio on our computer. Maybe it's Mac or Windows, it's same process. I will show you the difference between the two systems. So first go to the Oracle, this website, and download Java Jdk because Android Studio need Java Jdk. So first of all, go to this website. I will add it in video description. Then go down, click JDK. Then in JDK, select the version, select I agree. Then from I agree, select the version that match your operating system. I click it here, Windows X64, this one, I'm using it because this is my PC. So I already downloaded, this is here in my computer. So I click on it. You'll see this form, I will click next, then next, then waiting for some time until he install everything for me. Now you see this form, I just click next. Yes, here's everything he done from installation. I'm doing now, I want to install Android Studio. So first I go to this website for Android development, and then I click Android. I download the latest version of Android. I select agree, then I click on download. I already downloaded here to save my time. It's here, so to install it, I will click on it to start installing Android Studio. Then I click next, just making sure to install SDK also, so make sure this one is added. Then also Android virtual device is added, then click next. Make sure also you have free space around 4 GB. So I click next, then agree, then continue, then continue. In Mac, this is a different story. You don't have to click all this step. You just, when you see it in the download, you just drag it and add it to your application, and you're done. But in Windows, you're doing the installation. Yes, you are done. Just click next, then finish and start Android Studio. That's great. We install Android Studio, so you'll see Android Studio here. Let me create a new project just to make sure everything is going well. Don't care what I'm doing just next, then next. Don't care about them, just get new project. Just make sure the setting is going well. Just next, then finish. So, waiting for some time. If you see form like this, that's great. Everything is going well. Just go to next video. If by any chance you see message like this, maybe the environment variable Java home. This means that Java could not install its home in your computer. So to fix this problem is really easy. Just go where you install your Java. So I'm installing my computer and program file. Here is my Java. I'm going to Java Jdk. Just take this path, just copy it, then go here in my computer properties, then advanced system setting, environment, then here go add new, then here name a new variable, name it Java in this way underscore home. Make sure everything is capital and the space is underscore between two names, because this is what Android say for us. If you go to the Android Studio, they say add a new variable, name it Java home, same this name. So make sure you have it same that name. So just click OK. You will see Java home here. Then that's everything is good. Okay. Make sure you close and reopen your Android Studio. Here we done, and let's go next.